Okay, I want to make a phone repair, screen replacement for OPPO A58. So let's start. Okay, I've already disassembled the screen. So this is my gum. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, yeah, this is my gum. And this is how, okay, this is how the phone inside looks like. I have removed everything. This is the battery. And this is the screen with which I'll be replacing it. Wait. Yeah, this is the screen. You have to be very careful with this, please. Don't let it cut. This is called a flex. It's called a flex. And this is the back cover of the phone. As you can see. You see? Yeah, you can see it. And I left the nuts. I left the nuts. To be very careful. The nuts are inside here. Then this is the screen guard which I'll be using after I'll be placing on the screen in order to make it last longer. So in case maybe probably the phone falls, at least the screen guard can help to protect it. So this is the screen guard. And I'm coming. I was supposed to show you how I loosed the phone, but I was just in a hurry to get the screen. Yeah, so I couldn't make a video for that. So I promise next time when I want to repair another phone, I'm going to show you how I lose the phone. So this is the other part of the back part of the phone. So let's start. And this is my screen, my screw as a phone engineer. This is my screw as a phone engineer. A phone repairer. Yeah, they do call us engineers, but we are actually phone repairers. It's just for formality. So let me start by fixing the screen, and I will start with my gum. Yeah, the gum is what I will start with. I've already removed every necessary part which I want. Every gum that has been attached. You have to be very careful not to let the old gum stay. Oh no, is this my touch? I think my touch is done. Oh, sorry. Okay. I think it's better. Okay, sorry. So let's start by applying the gum. I just want to be very fast, not to exhaust the time. So while applying the gum, you have to be very careful. What is wrong with the gum? Should be placed round like this. Just the side, very little gum. Don't apply excess of the gum. I don't know if you can see. Can you see this? No, my screen. Can you see this? Okay, let me just start. I don't know what is wrong with my phone. So you need to be very careful. What is wrong with this? I don't know what is wrong with my phone camera. I'm sorry. I don't know. Sorry. It's kind of, I'm already on in touch, so we can give it this clearer view. Although the camera was just getting dim. I don't know why. I think I'll check that later. So let me quickly apply. So this is it. I'm actually done applying the glue. You can see something like it's kind of shining. So that is the glue. I just applied. This is it. So now I want to fix it. At this level, you have to be very careful. Very careful. So this is how it will look like. but at this stage just try to smoothen, try to press it, but don't press it with full force, otherwise you break the screen. Just try to press it. Later on I'm going to use a rubber band to tie it, to band it so it can be able to last for stay for long. Then before I will continue my process. I just want to make sure the screen has lapped very well. Then after I'm done, I'm going to brush off this part so there won't be any gum particle. Just be careful while you're doing it. I think I heard a sound. No, I don't think so. It's not the phone. Don't worry, it's safe. Just be careful. So immediately I was done fixing in the screen, like attaching the screen to the body of the phone. Then you see this place, this flex, you just have to clip it to this other part. So I'll do that now. So I've done that, I've clipped it. This is how it will look like. So I'm done fixing the battery, and that is it. So let me attach this part to this. So in order to attach this part to this, there is also a flex here, which is for the power button. You want to fix it, which is here. There is a point here, which is here. You have to clip it to that part. So I'm done clipping it. Then you have to be very careful fixing this. So there is another part of this phone. Sorry, I did not show you. Which is the speaker. I'm supposed to attach it underneath this part. So that is what I will do. Then you press carefully. So this is how the phone looks like, the back, inside, and the front. So in order to be sure of your work before you start fixing the screw, you just have to switch on the power button, of which I'll do that now. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, that's a technician working. So this is how the phone looks like when it's on. So just be patient with it so it can boot. Can you see it? It's booting. So I will just have to remove this clipper. This is how the phone looks like. Then I'll clean off the edges for the excessive gum. Can you see it? This is just telling you to input the password, the pattern. So this is how the phone looks like. I'm coming. Let me do the rest. So like I said, you just have to clean off the edges. Be very careful. Do not press too much. Just clean the edges little by little. Do not press the screen too much. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Just hold on. So now I want to fix the. Aww. I've pulled all my nuts. So I want to fix the nuts. This is the nut. Okay. Just to fix it. So once I'm done, I'll let you know. So I'm done fixing it. I'm done screwing in the nuts. So like I said, this is the phone. This is it. I even forgot I knew the password. So this is it. It's not my phone, but I was trying to guess the password. So you just want to come here then test it. I've already done all those things. Can you see? Then use it. It's working very perfect. Can you see? So let's just fix the back cover. and fixing up the back cover is still, you just have to apply a little bit of your gum. This is called B7000, B7000. It's a gum for cool. It's a gum for fun, just for fun and any other, if you're working MP3, any other. So I'm just applying the gum, just apply it round, so when you are touching your back cover, it can lap. So just have to apply it round. So this is, I've applied it round. Yes, round. So let me quickly cover it. Cover the gum. So this is my back cover. So I'll just the phone did not remain the same while I was removing the cover. I tempered with this part. I'm sorry. It was a mistake because of the knife was too sharp. It entered the, how will I call it? It entered too much. I was just supposed to be very careful while removing the cover. So this is it. The phone is back to normal. Okay, let me just cover this up so it won't look awkward. So the phone is back to normal. It's back to normal. Everything is back to normal. That's it. So everything is back to normal. So this is Robert Garris. Yeah, Robert Garris. This is Robert Garris. And I am the tech. Yeah, I'm the technician. Anything. I'm the chef. I'm the writer. I'm the lawyer to be. So this is Robert Garris. Just call me anything that is good, not any bad. anything that worth it. Yes, that worth me. Yeah. All right. Bye and see you. Bye bye.